Today I'm going to teach you how to make your own Trichlor Tab Floater just with a bottle that will save you having to buy one of these floaters, and besides this will cost you nothing, it will be maybe more useful than one of these floaters. Let me show you. Everything you're really going to need is one big bottle, 3 small ones, and some rope. So first, cut the big bottle in the middle. Let me take away this. And now I'm going to cut it, like I said, in the middle. And now you have 2 Trichlor Tabs dispensers. For this example, I'm gonna use this side of the bottle. All you need to do are some holes in this bottle. You can maybe use the knife like this. They aren't very good, but holes are holes. Or you can use a machine to do as many holes as you can. You can also warm up the knife, and whenever it's hot, it will be much easier to make these holes so they don't look this bad. But the idea is to have as many holes as you can so that water can get inside of the bottle and outside all the time. Maybe 2 more holes. Okay, so now this has plenty holes. And finally, make 3 holes in the upper side part of the bottle. 1 hole, 2 holes, and 3 holes. Make these holes as if it was a triangle. And finally, these little bottles, better to take away this, you just need to tie to the bottle. So first, let me put it there. Tie very good with the rope surrounding the bottle, just like this. Cut the rope maybe there, and now join the 2 bottles like this. Tie up very well, and do the same with the other 2. You can also do 2 holes to the bottle, so you can tie up in 2 places and it can be horizontal. But this way does also work. Now I cut it and join the 2 bottles. And that's the second one. If you have kids, sand the bottle well to eliminate any sharp corner. The third and final bottle, they must be well closed, tie very well, and join them for the 3rd time. Cut the rope and tie very well. And that's it! Probably in less than 10 minutes you have now your brand new Trichlor Tab Floater dispenser. All you need to do now is take the Trichlor Tab, you can see this one is already very small, put it inside the floater like this, and you can let it float in your swimming pool, dispensing the beautiful chlorine, and more important, you can see the Trichlor Tab so you can know how much there is left. And let me also show you by taking this to the other pool here, that if you have a bigger pool and you need more than 1 tab, this will easily hold more tabs. And if you like, I will add 1 more to make 3 tabs this time in my brand new Trichlor Tab Floater dispenser, and boom, it is floating beautifully. And that's everything for this video. Now you have too many tools. One is your Trichlor Tab Floater dispenser, and the other one is your vacuum cleaner, that both cost nothing. Remember that if you have any queries or consult through the consult button in the app Manage Your Pool, you can ask me anything you need to know, so the pool maintenance can be much easier for you. Subscribe to see many more cool tips for your swimming pool. Bye bye!